Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best Nikon cameras on Amazon. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Nikon Z50. The Nikon Z50 is a compact yet powerful camera that shares design elements with Nikon's full-frame Z models. Despite its smaller size, it features a comfortable grip and well-placed external controls. The retractable 16-50mm kit lens, in addition to its pancake lens dimensions, delivers impressive performance. While Nikon entered the APS-C mirrorless market later than some competitors, the Z50 stands out with notable features such as 4K video recording and a rapid 11 FPS continuous shooting capability. An advantage of the Z50 is its compatibility with the Z-mount, allowing the use of dedicated Nikon ZDX lenses, full-frame Nikon Z lenses, and traditional Nikon DSLR lenses with the FTZ adapter. Offering excellent value, especially in twin lens kits, the Z50 appeals to both beginners and enthusiasts. Number 2. Nikon ZFC. The Nikon ZFC combines style with substance, making it one of the best choices for beginners to mid-range photographers. Featuring an APS-C sensor and a sophisticated processor, this camera is highly capable across various photography genres, despite lacking a built-in flash. While the Nikon ZFC is priced a bit higher than its counterpart, the Nikon Z50, its aesthetic appeal sets it apart. The retro design and presentation of the ZFC contribute to its charm, making it an attractive option for those who appreciate the look and feel of classic cameras. It shares many similarities with the Z50, and its appeal is enhanced by a growing selection of native DX format Nikon Z lenses. Number 3. Nikon D780. The Nikon D780 represents a modernized and enhanced version of the popular Nikon D750 full-frame DSLR. Leveraging on sensor phase detection autofocus from the Nikon Z6, the D780 achieves impressive live-view autofocus speed, offering DSLR users a taste of the agility seen in mirrorless cameras. This camera boasts advanced features such as a high-resolution tilting touchscreen display, 4K UHD video capabilities, dual UHS 2 compatible memory card slots, and a continuous shooting speed of up to 12 FPS in live view mode. With its solid design, comfortable grip, and a blend of classic and modern attributes, the Nikon D780 stands out as a versatile and capable camera. Number 4. Nikon Z30. The Nikon Z30 is targeted towards vloggers, emphasizing user-friendly video shooting capabilities. Despite being designed with vlogging in mind, its video specifications align closely with Nikon's existing DX format Z-series cameras, showcasing versatility for both video and still photography. The Z30's build quality stands out in its price range, making it an affordable yet reliable option for those focused on point-and-shoot video recording. Certain limitations, such as the absence of in-body image stabilization, IBIS, an electronic viewfinder, EVF, and 4K 60p, can be attributed to its budget-friendly pricing. For users who prioritize affordability and are comfortable without a viewfinder, the Nikon Z30 provides an economical entry point to access Nikon's top-quality Z lenses. Number 5. Nikon ZF. The Nikon ZF combines vintage aesthetics with modern digital capabilities. Internally, it mirrors the advanced features of the new Z6 III, boasting a 25MP full-frame sensor and the X-Speed 7 processor. This translates to improved autofocus, subject tracking, and impressive 4K video performance. The ZF's retro design is a highlight, appealing to enthusiasts of vintage cameras. Its build quality, characterized by robust brass dials and a weighty feel reminiscent of classic cameras like the Nikon FM2, adds to its nostalgic charm. However, the ZF's minimal grip may be uncomfortable for extended use, and users might consider adding accessories like a small rig extended grip for better ergonomics. Additionally, The limited availability of vintage-style lenses native to the Z mount could impact the desired aesthetic, as users are restricted to modern-looking Nikon lenses or old Nikon lenses with a mount adapter. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.